We strive to make an impact at the residential and city levels through water sustainability practices. By motivating people to recycle water and minimize their water consumption, communities can work towards a water positive future. By using Azure IoT technologies, we believe our solution can be scaled to impact millions of people and empower cities that have an intelligent water distribution plan for a sustainable future. Water quality may degrade by the time it reaches the residences and pushes people towards using bottled water, increasing their costs. Additionally, running water without tracking how much water is being used leads to thousands of gallons of wastage every year. On top of water wastage through unnecessary practices, cities don't know how much water is required for each home, and with unmonitored and unplanned systems, this can lead to a greater scale in wastage.
People don't have access to consistently good drinking water, which trickles down to other adverse effects on both water consumption and the environment. This is becoming a growing problem, even within industrialized nations, as water scarcity increases. Users at the city level are also able to monitor sources of water waste and water quality degradation. Our goal is to make clean drinking water available to communities and reduce water consumption and costs by motivating people to help conserve water and improve sustainable practices. So, our solution is an investment strategy. It is a return on investment on water systems with providing users with an incentive to practice water conservation and decrease costs. The city also benefits from real-time information, which helps manage their dynamic city water plan intelligently.
This model can be scaled from small neighborhoods to large subdivisions to cities and then to larger metropolitan areas. The connected data is especially beneficial once it is attained at the state level and can have enormous impact on any array of social and environmental projects. For our project, we chose to focus on the individual user. So, in our model, we are going to show you the approximate level of installation and information a user would generate. Our proposed system will monitor water quality and quantity used in a house. Using the power of the Azure Hub and IoT connected sensors placed throughout a house, information will communicate with the Azure Hub to share real-time data to both the city and residential level users. Our app focuses on providing users with up-to-date and on-demand information regarding their water consumption. It is also focused on motivating users to save and reuse water without being overwhelmed and needing to reinvent the wheel.
The User Chart feature provides users with the water consumption information in gallons and the projected monthly bill. The Saving Suggestions feature is an intelligent AI feature which gives water saving suggestions to the users to reduce their total bill. The Away mode helps users to notify the city when they're away from home. This allows the city to anticipate how much water they need to allow into the water system.
Water Wars is a fun feature which allows certain residents or neighborhoods to compete with each other on water-saving goals.
Here you will see an easy install kit to help people cut water costs. We are also visualizing how our sensors and hardware might connect to the Azure IoT devices and the network at large. Let's take a look at how the Aqueous kit would be installed.
Let's take a look at how the Aqueous kit works internally through the Azure IoT Hub and hardware.
This part of the video shows how Raspberry Pi, TDS meter sensor, and ADC converter are connected. The simulated data runs continuously and sends information to the Azure Hub, which is seen as in numbers and graphs. This information is then sent to the front end of our Android app.
Let's take a look at how the Aqueous kit data is created and leverages the Azure Hub to push information to our app. We are Team Future Aqueous, and we are presented we presented to you the concept Aqueous. Thank you, DevPost and Microsoft Azure, for this wonderful opportunity and taking the time to view our project and listen to our pitch.